Maya found a lost lovebird. Its beautiful chirping filled the backyard. They met. Maya took care of the lovebird named Rio. Now, they were inseparable. Happy together every day. Maya taught Rio little tricks. Spinning, jumping. They communicated in a unique language. Maya fell ill with the flu. Rio was worried. Its gentle chirping comforted Maya in bed. Maya realized Rio seemed unhappy in the cage. She set Rio free to fly around. Rio flew joyfully. Made friends with other birds. At sunset, it returned to Maya's embrace. Maya and Rio, an irreplaceable friendship. Their love and bond were eternal.